Venice is not only a lagoon surrounded by water, but also a mainland town. Behind it, across a transversal bridge, a complex and articulate territory opens up to provide an alternative or integrative experience to the usual visitor. It is an opportunity to discover the many souls of the city of Venice, now metropolitan city, including several aspects of local history which caused a constant, relentless connection between the island and the mainland. A network of links guaranteed by the public transport service of trams and buses connects the historic city with a wide urban reality of opportunities for culture and leisure time. The city of Mestre is strategical as a commercial and recreational area. It is soon to be home to the M9, the 20th Century Museum, currently under construction. The green areas include first and foremost San Giuliano Park and Forte Marghera. The Venetian hinterland is, therefore, the ideal destination for trips and sports. The Venetian villas of the Brenta Riviera are one of the most important attractions of the mainland. Accessible by public transport ACTV, the villas along the Brenta River offer a discount card, Ville Card, to discover the wonderful historic, artistic and cultural heritage of the Riviera and its excellence. The card additionally includes discounts on tickets to visit 8 of the most popular Riviera villas, discounts on bicycle rental and river cruises along the Brenta River, as well as in the shops and restaurants associated with the initiative. In order to facilitate the journeys on the metropolitan territory and the choice between different means of transport, a new integrated pass, Venezia Metropolitana 24, is now available. It allows passengers to travel by bus, coach, tram and water transport along the entire transport network managed by the AVM Group, the Venetian Mobility Company, and by ATVO, the East Veneto Transport Company. The new travel certificate will last 24 hours from the first validation. The connection to and from Venice Marco Polo Airport and Andrea Canova Treviso Airport are not included. Venezia Metropolitana 24 will be available at all the AVM, ACTV and ATVO ticket shops, as well as online and on the mobile phone. The new single ticket is available at a discounted rate for residents in the 44 towns of the Venice metropolitan town and the municipality of Mogliano Veneto. Children up to the age of 12 travel for free for a maximum of 2 for every customer. The purpose of Venezia Metropolitana 24 is to help discovering the cultural and natural heritage of the metropolitan city of Venice. Since it became available, it has been favorably welcomed by a considerable number of families of tourists with children. Even though it is not possible to cycle in the Venice lagoon, Venice is deeply concerned about sustainable mobility and offers several options for bicycle lovers. Mestre City Centre and Piazzale Roma are now equipped with parking areas for bikes. One can be found near the railway station in Mestre, in response to the ever-growing demand for areas equipped for cycling tourists and residents. The Venetian hinterland is also a destination for cyclotourism. In late spring and summer, ACTV offers an integrated and functional service for bicycle lovers who want to reach the seaside of the metropolitan city of Venice or take trips between the sea and the lagoon. The long cycling route connecting the north coast via Punta Sabbioni and the south coast through Chioggia is now more accessible thanks to the increase in bicycle transport services on 2 areas of port, respectively between Punta Sabbioni and Lido and between Pellestrina and Chioggia. Additionally, ACTV ferry boats departing from Tronchetto provide a constant daily connection from Venice to Lido and Pellestrina seashores. You will find additional routes, information and tips at the IAT Points Tourist Information Office of Venezia Unica. IAT offices are open every day in Historic Centre, at Santa Lucia Railway Station Platform 2, in St. Mark's Square, or at the City Parking Garage Lost Objects section, or at the IAT at Venice Marco Polo Airport.